mortgage servicing and lending. We are essentially a servicing business with a unique business model, run with a global leadership philosophy.
Over the last 16 years, I have seen the organization evolve. From a customer base of about 200,000 to over 3 million plus. From having offices in only 2 cities in India, in Mumbai and Bangalore, to having offices in Pune and Manila in addition to Mumbai and Bangalore.
I joined Ocwen because it gives an opportunity to have a positive impact on people's lives, and we make a difference every day in the lives of hundreds of people. We genuinely care about borrowers, and our team is equally passionate and committed to help them.
With over 7,000 employees worldwide, 400 plus in IT, Ocwen is a seasoned frontrunner in the US mortgage industry. Yet, the IT culture within is very entrepreneurial.
What I love about Ocwen is the camaraderie and the work ethic that exists amongst our people and leaders. It's a delight to watch. Our environment makes it easy to cut through hierarchical red tape and provides everyone with a voice. From sharing process improvement ideas to raising concerns, anyone can approach anyone regardless of titles or tenure.
Speaking of culture, we are a global organization with diversity and inclusion at the core of its DNA. We ensure an environment is inclusive where everyone feels involved and respected. Affinity groups like Ocwen Global Women's Network provide a platform to voice opinions, seek suggestions, help support and provide varied upskilling career opportunities internally.
Ocwen offers a culture which is fast-paced, devoid of any dull moments, empowering and driven by service excellence at the core. The leadership here encourages you to innovate and execute new ideas.
Having an employee-first outlook simplifies our approach to employee engagement. At Ocwen, we have hyperactive employee engagement platforms where associates can make a huge impact and realize their potential or passion, be it in the corporate social responsibility, diversity and inclusion, sports, and various other initiatives.
Ocwen also strongly drives the D&I culture. Ocwen is a wonderful initiative and a great forum for us to connect with women employees and men too, and have meaningful discussions on various topics. It has been forefront in creating a passionate women workforce with a series of inspiring activities.
From people perspective, as a team we are a happy bunch of people, and company provides numerous opportunities to blend fun with work. We've got quarterly team outings, monthly events, and Ocwen as an organization strongly encourages employees to continuously learn. We've got programs which provide sponsorship for technology skills upgrade, including certifications, and also have sponsored management programs from one of the best institutes in India.
And to think that we were purely focused on business is so far away from the truth. There were numerous initiatives and projects aimed at making Ocwen a great place to work and to show our commitment as responsible corporate citizens. Right from diversity and inclusion to service excellence to employee well-being to corporate social responsibilities, Ocwen is leading the way and remains illustrious to others.
But it's also more about giving back to society. We have over the last few years focused heavily on our corporate social responsibility, and we've been visiting several orphanage homes.
Employees can participate in the various initiatives, including being in the CSR team, sports events, various team building activities and engagement initiatives.
We will provide you an excellent work environment, have employee-friendly policies, also an opportunity to display your talent in sports and fitness, and participate in various CSR activities.
We understand that women face a lot of challenges as they go through various phases of life, especially maternity. We have policies like flexible work arrangements for returning mothers, which help and support women employees in maintaining work-life balance.
We used a customized mentoring program to facilitate professional development of mid-career women leaders. Applause is a widely used rewards and recognition platform. We have best-in-class benefits like health insurance for parents. We also provide opportunity to continue education and professional certifications.
if innovation, transformation and constructiveness excite you and you're focused on your goals to make a difference to the lives of your clients, then Ocwen is the place to be.